Welcome back to the session. In previous session we completed in exercise 12.1 up to 7th problem. Next is 8th problem. I'll read out first 8th problem. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river, and travels a distance of 600 meters to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? Here a boat has to cross a river and it travels 600 meters from one place to another place. Now we have to find out width of the river. When the boat travels here, it makes angle of elevation is what? 60 degrees. Let us see here. Here it is a boat. Not this is a river. Here it is a river. This is AB is a river. Now a boat starts at this point, that is A. Now and travel to some place. Travel to some place, that is another side of the river. Now at this time journey is 600 meters. When the boat is traveled to another place, here an angle is formed, that is here 60 degrees. It makes an angle 60 degrees. This is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. And here I am taking this as C here. Now we have to find out what? This is the river. This AB is the river. Now we have to find out this width of the river. That is, let it be X. This is width of the river. We have to find out this value, X value. From this diagrammatic part, now we are having which values here? This is the angle, it is 60 degrees. This is the adjacent side, and this is what? This is hypotenuse. This is the adjacent and this is hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio related to the adjacent hypotenuse here? It makes cos. Trigonometric ratio is what? Cos. See here. 8th problem. Let the width of the river is equals to river is equals to what here? This is X. That is AB is equals to X. Now from triangle ABC, here it is what? This is the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. Related to adjacent hypotenuse, trigonometric ratio is cos. That is cos theta is equals to what? Adjacent to theta by adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Here theta is what here? 60. That is cos 60 is equals to adjacent to theta. That is, this one is the adjacent side, that is AB. And hypotenuse, that is AC. AB by AC. Now cos 60 value is what? It is equals to what? Sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is equals to AB. AB is what? X. And AC. AC is what here? 600 meters. That is X by 600. From this, by cross multiplication, 2X is equals to 600. Now X is equals to 600 by 2. That is 2 ones and 2 300s. That is X value is what? 300 meters. This X means what? Width of the river. Next, 9th problem. An observer of height 1.8 meters is 13.2 meters away from a palm tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? Here it is given what? Observer height is given, that is 1.8 meters, and observer is want to find what? Height of the palm tree. Then when the observer is seeing the top of the palm tree, the angle makes here 45 degrees. See here. Here this is what? An observer height. That is, this is I am taking as AB. An observer is seeing what? Looking at top of the tree. Top of the tree. Here from his eyesight, that is here a person eyesight is here and looking at the top of the tree. And this is the palm tree. This is palm tree. That is, this is C and D. This height we have to find out. That is CD. This is palm tree. An observer is here and looking at the top of the tree here. Now here the distance from, and here it is given what? The distance between the palm tree and the observer is also given. That is 13.2 meters. This is 13.2 meters. Now here an angle makes from the observer is what here? 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. See here. Here I am taking E. Now ABDE is what here? This is in rectangle shape. That is, opposite sides are what? Equal in the rectangle. From that point here AB is equals to what? DE. That is, this is also 1.8 and here BD equals to EAB and here 13.2. Now we are having what? DE we are having, but we want to find this total height of the palm tree. That is CD we have to find here. That is, if you find here CE, then after that you add the CE value and this DE value also. Then automatically you can get the height of the palm tree. Here this CE I am taking this as X. This is X. Okay. Now this is what? This is 45 degrees. This 45 degrees. This is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side. And related to opposite and the adjacent, trigonometric ratio is what? Tan. That is, here tan theta is equals to what? Opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. Theta value is what? Tan 45. Here theta is tan 45 and opposite to theta, that is 45 degrees is here. Opposite is what here? CE and adjacent is what? AE. CE by AE. And tan 45 value is what? From the trigonometric values it is equals to 1. Now CE is equals to what? CE is X and AE. AE is equals to 13.2. That is X by 13.2. From this X is equals to 1 into 13.2, that is 13.2 meters. Now this is only X, that is only CE value. Now we have to find out the height of the palm tree. Therefore, height of the palm tree is equals to height of the palm tree is equals to what here? This is total is what here? Total height is equals to CD. CD is equals to CE plus ED. CE plus ED. That is, it is equals to what? CE is equals to here X. X plus ED. ED value becomes here 1.8. Now here X value is what? 13.2 meters. That is 13.2 plus 1.8. If you add these two, it is what? 15 meters. This is 15 meters. This is the height of the palm tree. Next, 10th problem. In the adjacent figure, AC equals to 6 centimeters. That is already the diagram is given in the textbook. See here. In the diagram, AC equals to what? 6 centimeters. And AB equals to what? 5 centimeters. And angle BAC equals to what? 30 degrees. These are the given values. From these given values, we have to find the area of the triangle. That is, to find the area of the triangle, here we can use Heron's formula or half into base into height. To find the area here, if you can use Heron's or half into base into height, first we have to find here another side. That is, this BC we have to find first. To find BC here we are having what? This is 30 degrees. For this 30 degrees, this is what? Here see, this is the perpendicular. Here this is 90 degrees. Here it is not mentioned, but this is what? 90 degrees. Now to this 30 degrees, this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. This is the opposite side and this is hypotenuse. Related to these two, the trigonometric ratio is what? Opposite and hypotenuse. This is sine. Now, apply that here. 10th one. We have to find out BC here. To find BC here, we are having what? AC equals to 6 centimeters. The trigonometric ratio, that is sine theta. Sine theta is equals to what? Opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite to theta by hypotenuse. Here theta is what? 30 degrees. That is sine 30 degrees is equals to opposite to theta. This is opposite to theta and this is what? Hypotenuse. That is BC here. Here I am taking this is x, for example. This is x. Now BC by this is what? AC. BC by AC. Now sine 30 value is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equals to BC. BC is x and AC is equals to what? 6 centimeters. That is x by 6. And now by cross multiplication here 2x is equals to 6. Now x is equals to what? 6 by 2, 2 ones and 2 3s. That is here x is equals to what? 3 centimeters. This is only BC value. That is BC equals to x equals to 3 centimeters. Now we have to find area of the triangle. That is, see here. Area of triangle formula is what? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. That is, it is equals to what? Half into base into height. That is AB in half into AB into BC. From this diagram, half into AB into BC. Now half into AB. AB is equals to what here? This is 5 and BC. BC is equals to what? X. But what is x value here? It is 3 centimeters. That is 5 into 3. Now 5 3 is 15 by 2. Now 2 1s and 2 7s are 14. Point here 2 5s are 10. That is, it is equals to what? 7.5. Area of triangle is 7.5. This is area. That's why here you can write it as what? Square centimeter. This is square centimeters. 7.5 square centimeters is the area of the triangle here. By this we are ending the today's session. That is, by this 10th problem we completed exercise 12.1. In next session we will discuss the next topic.
If you want to continue with this channel, Make sure you continue to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.